Students, in the previous videos, we have already studied linear applications of operational amplifier. So, here we study non-linear applications. Okay. So, in that, first one is differentiator. Op amp as differentiator. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು particular differentiator circuit ಅಲ್ಲಿ output of the circuit will be derivative of the input signal. So now we are input signal. Obviously that will not be DC signal, that will be AC signal. Okay, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು AC signal ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈನೋಸೈಡಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ನ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ resultant function ಏನಂತಲ್ಲ, so that will be our output signal. Okay, so here we see the circuit symbol of op amp, right? Let us see how this differentiator circuit will be designed. So we will be having one capacitor in the place of input resistor. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು input resistor ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, so ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. So let us say it is of some capacitance C. Okay, so then this non-inverting terminal is connected to zero potential or ground. Then we will be having one feedback resistor across inverting terminal and output terminal and call it as feedback resistor, right? So here we provide that input signal which need to be differentiated, right? So differentiation in agbeku, so that signal will be provided here to inverting terminal through this capacitor C, right? So let us call this one as Ci or just C, right? So because of the applied voltage, obviously we will be having a current here in this path. Let us call this one as IN. Small letter ne ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಡಿ ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್. ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1, ಸರಿನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಎನಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಡಿ ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿ ನೋಡ್ ಬಿ ಎ and this one as B for our explanation purpose, right? So here current divides as IF through RF, then IB, which is current which is supposed to flow into op amp, right? So because of this we get output which is expected to be the derivative of input, right? This is a very simple circuit which is what a differentiator, op amp differentiator circuit. So here we take an ideal op amp as differentiator. Here Vi is input signal source through the capacitor C. RF is feedback resistor, right? Okay, in non-inverting terminal is connected to ground, plus VCC and minus VEE are power supplies for biasing this is regarding circuit description. Then In is the charging current through capacitor. Okay, see, IF is the feedback current and IB is the current into op amp. Okay. From ideal characteristics of op amp, we know that A is equal to infinite, that is open loop gain of op amp is infinite. This means Zin is equal to infinite. Therefore IB is equal to 0. Then VA is, that is potential at node A, is equal to potential at node B, that is equal to 0. This is what? Virtual ground concept. Apply KCL at node A. Okay, node A hatra KCL apply madana. So here I in is equal to, see, I in is what? Incoming current to node A. So hagadre IF plus IB divides there at the node A. Since IF plus IB, since IB is equal to 0, IN is equal to IF. Okay, IN is equal to IF, equation 1. Okay. So now write this IF and IN in terms of current, resistor, voltage, then capacitor. Okay, so IN in so IN is what? You already worked. IN is charging current through capacitor. Okay, so here IN is nothing but a changing current, that is charging current, dq by dt. Okay, so Q is what? Charge on the capacitor. Charge on the capacitor is proportional to voltage across the capacitor, or you can also say Q is equal to C into V, that is product of capacitance of that capacitor into potential across the capacitor, right? So hagadre navenanta baribodu iga D into Q. Here Q is what? Capacitance into voltage across the capacitor. What is the voltage across the capacitor? That is nothing but potential difference across the terminals of capacitor. You can write Q as C is what? Capacitance of the capacitor into, now V can be written as potential difference across the capacitor. Can we write this one as VI minus VA? Okay, so by dt. Sarina? So hagare IN can be written as D into, that is differentiation, C into VI minus VA by dt. Okay, is equal to, what is IF? IF is feedback current. So hagadre, so VA minus V0 by RF. Idu gottirutte. Current IF is what can be expressed as potential difference across RF by RF. That is, what is potential difference across RF? VA minus V0 by RF. Since VA is equal to 0 by virtual ground concept. So, since VA is equal to 0, D of C into VI by dt is equal to here V naught minus V naught, because Vi is 0, minus V naught by Rf. Okay, so let us rewrite this like this for V naught. V naught V naught is equal to minus, see here in this differentiation part, we can take capacitor outside because it is a constant value. So constant na ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ C ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ this one RF, if it comes to LHS, it will be in numerator. So RF into ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, dVi by dt. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಯ್ತು, that is proportional to, okay, if see RF is constant value, capacitance is constant value, so if you take this thing outside, what V naught is proportional to what, dVi by dt. That is what we define in the definition, that here the output will be proportional to derivative of its input signal, dVi by dt. dVi by dt. Sarina? So therefore, what we can conclude is that this circuit of op-amp works like a differentiator, right? So differentiator anta navili conclude ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So output is proportional to derivative of input signal or input voltage. Okay, so here there is one note. Okay, for proper functioning, right, this RC, that is product of this capacitance and resistor, must be less than 10 times the time period of the input signal. See, input signal ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟರ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾವು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ R into C, ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಓದಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಓದಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 10 times ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ನ ಏನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 10 times ಗಿಂತ ಏನಿರಬೇಕಿದು, RC ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅವರ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. Okay, so this is regarding op-amp as differentiator. Okay, thank you.